In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can embed linked files in Adobe Illustrator. So I have this image here and it's linked. First of all, there are lots of options which let you embed a linked image. So the easiest one is to select the image, and then on top here in your work bar, you get the option to embed. Just like this, and now it's embedded. Let me Ctrl-Command-Z to undo that. If you have the image selected, you can also go to Properties, and if Properties isn't visible, you can go to Window and then select Properties here. And in the Properties, you can see here there is linked file, and it's underlined. When you click it, you get the file, and when you press this arrow here, you get the file info. So here you also see that it's a linked file. You can see the color space, where it's linked from, the PPI, the dimensions, the scale, and the size of the image. Now, a linked file has been linked to a location on your computer. So if you move that asset around, it won't be found any longer by Illustrator, so you have to relink it. What you can do to avoid broken links is embed that image like we did before with the top toolbar here, but you can also press this hamburger icon. And then here you get the option to embed the image like this. Now, again, it's embedded. Be mindful though that everything you embed in your Illustrator document, the size of the thing you embed will add to the size of your document because it's practically contained in that document. It's no longer linked. So let me Ctrl-Command-Z again. The other thing you can do is with this selected, go to the links menu. And if links isn't visible, again, you can go to Window and then select links. In this links window, you have the same hamburger icon. And when you press it, you get the same options as you did going through properties. And then when you click, and then when you haven't embedded it, because it's still embedded, let me Ctrl-Command-Z. Now it's no longer embedded. When you go through the links menu and you press here, you also get the option to embed your images. Same as you got when using the properties of the image. So easiest way to embed it is selecting it and then going on top here and choose to embed, going through the properties window or going through the links window. And also in the properties window here, you can click the file, but again, you have quick actions, the same as you have on top of here. Here you can also press embed. So there are a lot of options to embed your image, your linked image in Adobe Illustrator. And the other thing I want to show you is when you have a document and you're going to place something in it, so File, Place, or Shift Ctrl-Command-P, then when you select an image you want to place, as you can see here at the bottom, link has been selected, so you can immediately choose to embed an image. And if you then select place, let's place it. Now you can see that this one has been embedded. You have the unembed option here. In the properties window, you have image because it is embedded. If you click image, you also see here that it's an embedded file, and you have the unembed option here, same as there. And again, if you go through the hamburger icon, same unembed. Links window, the same here. So lots of options to embed your linked files in Adobe Illustrator. Be mindful that the size of the file you embed will add to the total size of your document you're working in. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.